Go ahead. Start walking.
Okay.
We'll walk in.
Video, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right, so you're just gonna start stepping. I'm not gonna turn anything on.
Okay.
So what's nice about this is it gets your hips, your knees, your ankles moving through a full range of motion.
All right.
There's no impact, so you don't have to worry about shock absorption.
Right.
But it allows us to kind of have better alignment. Now, what I want you to think about,
Okay.
so your right knee kind of caves in a little bit.
Right.
I want you to, on purpose, push the right knee out just a little bit.
Out? Okay.
Yeah, almost like your foot. I want you to think about what you feel in your foot.
Okay.
I want you to try to feel like you're putting pressure on the outside edge of your foot.
I think that did it, but I'm not sure.
Well, we're gonna play around with a couple different things today.
Okay.
So why do you like these shoes? Do you like these shoes because they're easy to slip on and off?
Yeah, that's a reason. Really.
Okay.
I've got better shoes at home.
What I want to do is I'm going to put this little piece of belt right there.
Okay.
I want you to put your foot kind of half on it. There we
Okay.
go. And so
You think
Don't-
that might turn the knee out a little bit?
yes, we want to lift that arch a little bit.
Okay.
Go ahead and start stepping again. So I want to go even a little bit higher than that. Take a break. Let me steal this back out. I'm going to fold it over a little bit more.
Get that to where it stops.
Yeah. All right. Now I know it feels, a little bit awkward. Go ahead again. Oh, that looks so much better. What does it feel
I
like?
think it feels a little better, actually. Maybe I ought to discard these shoes and get my good ones on.
I do think it's gonna, I love minimalist shoes. I love flexible shoes, lightweight shoes.
Right.
Like in most normal situations, what you're wearing,
Yeah.
I would be totally fine with. But there's a time and a place for some support. And as much as I'm usually against orthotics or anything like that,
Right.
I do think you would probably benefit from it.
Well,